So if you ever have these adhesive stickers, which many, people do to stick their prices on and whatnot like this, grab a hairdryer, give it a blow for 10 seconds or so, and then it will peel right off. It saves you having to like pick, potentially, damage the surface that you're trying to peel it off from. So let's pop this over here. I have, in fact, a permanently set up hairdryer station for just such a thing. These labels give you a clue because they're thermal, and once they start turning black, they never go back. No, that's not right. That lets you know that they're hot enough. There we go.